Get down to the B-side.
This is our Today we're going to be teaching you how to make these, and they're really easy and you can do it from home. Bye guys. Hi guys.
Hi. We're social distance.
We are social distancing and it's my birthday tomorrow, so Holly came around to drop some things over. But today we are going to be teaching you guys how you can make a face mask out of a bandana.
Woo.
So we both have bandanas here.
You can see mine flapping in the wind like
And
a
mine.
flag. Whee.
Flags. Okay, so Holly,
You're going to need 2 elasticated hair bubbles, not scrunchies. Scrunchies do not work. I've tried it. And a bandana. So yeah, this is what we're going to do. So first of all, you're going to grab it as a square, not as a triangle, and you're going to lay it down if it works, because it's very windy.
it's very windy at the moment. So.
Ah! Right, we might have to. This is going to be very hard.
Okay, right. So we're going to lay it on the floor, and then you're going to stomp it down with your feet to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere because it's flying in the wind.
Right. Then once you've got the square, you're going to fold this top bit into the middle.
Okay, so fold it halfway into the middle.
And then you're going to do the same with the other side, as long as it doesn't flip over. Top tip: don't do this in the wind, guys.
So it will end up looking like this, if I can even show you. Oh my god,
It's
right.
very windy.
It's really windy outside today, so.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
Right, let me.
Sorry,
try.
when the wind
Look.
picks up,
Ta-da.
it is very difficult. So yeah, it'll look like that.
If you
So
can't see that,
the first
that's
half is folded down, and the second half is also folded down.
Right, then you're going to flip it over to the other side where you can't see any fold-ins, and you're going to repeat the last 2 steps that you just did on this side. So folding it into the middle, like this. So it looks like that, either side, like a long strip. Yep. Right, then you're going to grab 1 hair bubble and you're going to put it on the end, like this, so it looks like that. You can put the hair bubbles there.
How far down?
Not a lot, so enough, about that much. Can you see?
See guys, about that much, where she's pointing.
Right, Gracie, don't like tie it, just put it once.
Oh, sorry. I don't really know how to make these. Holly's the expert.
I'm teaching her. We were going to do it over a FaceTime call, but we couldn't because the audio wouldn't work, because there's a new update on WhatsApp that won't let you do it. So yay to
That's
WhatsApp.
fine. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, so, yeah. Alright, and then you're going to do the same with the other hair bubble the other side. But
Yep.
make sure there's enough, like, room
So
in
at the
between
moment
two
it will look like this basically, with the 2 ends.
Right, then you're going to fold each of the ends in to the section where the hair bubbles in between, and you're going to tuck one of the folds into the other.
Oh right, okay.
And it should look something like that from the front and something like that from the back.
So like this from the front and something like that from the back.
Right, Gracie. Right, where you've done yours, you might want to try and make it look more like that, so it's folded into each other, so it fits in the space.
Like this? Mine's a bit more floppy. Wait, let me try again.
Yeah.
Holly, you carry on
Alright,
showing
so
them
then
and I'll just try and figure mine out.
You get your mask and you put your face on it, and you put the hair bubbles round your ears.
If you guys can't hear her, basically you put it on your face and you put the hair balls around your ears. So on the first step, when you fold it, it will look like this on the back, and then you flip it, fold it again, like so, and that's the end result. Okay, I'm just going to try and do it as fast as I can. It is a bit difficult to film outside, so I'm very sorry about that, but we're trying.
Yeah, so it's very noisy
fold
too.
it in the middle. Yeah, I live right next to the main road, so sorry about that. Okay, so I did it better this time. So the back will look like this. I mean, the front will look like, oh, maybe not.
Oh yeah, and make sure you can do this with any square material that is the same square shape as a bandana, but oh, there's kids. Oh, it's the same ones as last time. How very wonderful.
He was looking at me.
Yeah, right.
Yay! That's actually really cool.
Yeah, as I was saying, make sure it's a material that you can breathe through. So obviously some materials, although they're quite good, you can't breathe through them. Just make sure that it is breathable, but obviously not enough to cough, like catch.
And obviously you can adjust it like to your face, so like obviously this. And if you need to tie the hair wheels twice around your ears because it's way too big, you can do that. Or you can just use smaller hair balls. Obviously, it is going to be harder to talk to people, but that's the same with any mask. So, yeah. And it's very cute as well because you know they're all different colours.
Like Gracie's goes with her hoodie.
This is a close-up, basically. Mine's not as good as Holly's because I only just did it, and this is the first time trying it in the wind, so. But yeah, very nice.
So one thing, just to let you know, we are going to be doing a video over FaceTime. As we said, we can't do the audio, but I have given Gracie printouts of a few eyeshadow looks, and we're going to be doing that over FaceTime with a voiceover on. So it'll only be my voice because obviously I can't film Gracie because we can't be more than 2 meters apart. So I'll voice over it, and then you can just see us doing the eyeshadow looks on FaceTime. So yeah, that's what it's.
And then comment which person you think did it better.
I think Gracie did it better because it goes with her outfit.
No, I mean the eyeshadow look.
Oh, the eyeshadow. Oh.
Oh, that's funny. Bye guys.
Bye.